Do you need more size, more speed, more precision? Introducing the new Artis 5000U, the industrial powerhouse engineered to redefine what's possible. With an expansive 50 by 70 centimeter print area and a generous 25 centimeter print height, it conquers everything from oversized signage to bulky luggage with flawless results. And now, with the revolutionary FreeBird module, it delivers blistering speeds, 3 to 5 times faster, slashing production time while driving down costs. The core breakthrough is the new BEC1 Go technology, a groundbreaking innovation that unites ADA-compliant Braille, embossed textures, and full-color graphics in one single automated print run. B for Braille, with every dot precision engineered to ADA standards, field-tested for readability and durability. E for embossed, creating striking raised textures up to 8 millimeters tall, with options for bold color contrast or sleek translucent varnish. And C for color, bring designs to life with stunning dimensional color, unmatched vibrancy, perfect depth, and true-to-life reproduction. The result isn't just visually stunning, it's incredibly durable. Each print is fully waterproof, scratch-resistant, and built to withstand tough, daily use. Engineered for accuracy and dependability, the 5000U's hardware ensures flawless printing every time. Its 360 nozzle, 8-chamber printhead delivers exceptional detail while doubling productivity. And the white ink circulation system prevents sedimentation, keeping workflow smooth and consistent. The vacuum table locks materials in place, even curved surfaces, for perfect alignment every time. An intelligent cooling UV system boosts energy efficiency and simplifies maintenance, while real-time ink level monitoring puts you in full control. Transition effortlessly between flatbed and 360 degrees rotary printing with our dedicated rotary attachment. But raw power means nothing without control. Controlled by ArtisJet's cutting-edge workstation software, the 5000U turns complex tasks into effortless workflows. White edge shrinking technology eliminates unwanted outlines for clean, professional results, while ultra-high 3000 DPI resolution ensures stunning detail. With cloud-based monitoring and open API, you can track performance in real time and integrate seamlessly into your workflow. Unlock advanced creative possibilities with specialty effects like metallic gold printing, seamless color plus white plus color layering in a single pass, and striking reverse varnish finishes, all with unmatched efficiency. And with compatibility across a variety of materials including wood, metal, acrylic, PVC, and glass, there are no limits to what you can create. The next generation Artis 5000U, where bigger meets better, and where breakthrough technology meets brute force performance. Print bigger, print faster, print beyond limits.